how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I want to style my January 2026 Nuuly items. I did a haul probably a month ago at this point. I will link it down below where I showed everything in my box and tried it on. This is the video where I style each piece throughout the month and show you how I'm wearing it. I know none of us are surprised that this is the first item. NVLT is the brand. This is the most beautiful, well-fitting jacket I have ever put on my body. Also, Nuuly will allow you to keep things if you want, well, you buy them for a discount because they're thrifted, essentially clothes. So I guess this month is also a test to see if I need to keep anything. But first we're gonna do this jacket. I went on Pinterest last night and looked up a few outfit inspo pics with jackets similar to this. I will put the few that I liked here. I wanna start with this one because I already own the white tee, but let me show you the jeans I own. These bluish dark wash jeans from Talbot's, but they have a cuff at the bottom. So let me put these on with this and we'll belt it. My jeans are a little bit more cropped than the inspo photo, but I do have another one. She's just not wearing a jacket, but it's jeans that are similar that are cropped. My belt is from Bass Pro. My jeans are also more fitted than I feel like the jeans are. They're more wide leg in that picture, but I do know as I wear these throughout the day, they will give a little bit. I do own black heeled boots, but I don't really want to wear heels. We're going to Pensacola for the day just to do shopping, coffee shop. There's an outdoor market, so heels are not ideal for me. So these are my two options. This style shoe was so cute on the girl in the picture with the cropped jeans. These are a little bit dusty. They're just a rain boot. I think the high over there today is 57, 58, maybe cloudy. So I'm going with the layered type look. So if I get a little warm, I can take the jacket off. I don't think it goes. I don't think that this is the one, so let me put the boots on. I'm not even gonna put the other shoe on because this is not the move. Okay, let me show you the other outfit that I pinned. It's a denim on denim look, and I feel like this is the move. Top is toward my jeans are Old Navy. I can't see her shoes, so we'll get there in a moment. First, let's put the jacket on and see how it feels. Okay, this is kind of cool. I am gonna front tuck. Maybe tuck all the way around. Yeah, it definitely needs to be tucked. I'm just adding the same Bass Pro Shop belt. This is comfortable. I've worn both of these pieces multiple times and I know that I like them, so I feel good about this. I think the white shoes are the move. I can't see her shoes in the photo, but I think these white chunky flats are so cool. They're from Quince, if I didn't say. I should probably button these since I'm putting a jacket on. All right, moment of truth with the jacket. This is adorable. Okay, I'm very happy with my picks. I felt like in the beginning this would be the outfit that I like the most, the denim on denim, but I thought the white was smarter in case I get warm, but I can always take the jacket off. I feel like a 90s mom. Maybe it's the denim on denim or the denim shirt tucked in with the belt, but this is such a cool outfit. Thank you for helping me pick. I'm going out for my day in Pensacola. I will see you next time I wear an outfit. Hi, welcome back. It is exactly 1 week since I saw you last. I am wearing another Nuuly piece. Say hi to Brian.
Hi, I'm not.
He's not. We just had breakfast and we're doing a little museum day and then a dinner date tonight, which I think I'm wearing an additional piece, so I'll show you that later. But let me show you the outfit. The sweater, I love. Brian actually said, what? You were like, oh, that's such a cool sweater. Like he thought I'd layered it, but it comes this way. We already know that. It's a little bit too chilly to wear the other animal print, like satiny pants I wanted. So this is the look. I feel very comfortable, very cute. Any comments from behind the camera?
It's cute. It's very comfortable, very cute.
Okay, I'll see y'all tonight because I think, like I said, I'm gonna do another outfit tonight for dinner. Welcome back. It is 6:15 at this point. This is the dinner OOTD. Obviously, you've already seen this dress. If I haven't said already in this video, I will link my Nuuly unboxing and try on down below. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like this is adorable. It's a velvet dress, Anthropologie brand. I'm just wearing cowboy boots and I feel like this, we're going to a little Italian spot. So I feel like this is so cute. I also went a little different with the double necklaces, silver earrings. I put on a bunch of rings that are silver. I feel so cute in this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Hi, welcome back to the video. It is several days since I last saw you. I am wearing this brown and white polka dot dress. It is from Anthropologie brand is Exquise, I'm pretty sure. I can't find this exact print on the Anthropologie website anymore, but they have several with this shape. They have tops like this. They have maxi length, midi length dresses with this shape. But this is adorable. This is the full outfit with these little like burgundy kitten heels. It is a little bit short. I understand that I'm already a little bit tall, so I'm just wearing these Thigh Society shorts underneath. We're doing a little Mary Poppins themed dinner where we are. You will see it in the vlog, so it's appropriate. Hi, hello, welcome back. We're in a different car. I hope this angle's okay. I am home from my trip, which means I am returning my Nuuly box. The last thing I had planned was the brown polka dot dress that you saw that I just wore in Orlando. Let's talk about it. I was not able to wear the button-up Les Swan. Actually, let me show you because this just zips up. It doesn't actually like close, hook, anything. This top I wasn't able to wear. It was a lot colder than I expected this past month, really. So I ended up not wearing this. I'm not really upset about not being able to wear this. I liked it, but it wasn't like a standout piece to me. And then a pair of pants in here that were too small that were also a no-wear. But as far as the two dresses, the sweater and the jacket, love. I actually wanted to buy the jacket. I thought about it because Nuuly will let you buy an item for a discounted price. Again, it's not really cold all the time here, and you can always re-rent things if you like them. So I think that's just what I'm going to do. I will say this, I had a lot of fun renting this specifically because I had things coming up. Like we had a date night, it was Brian's birthday, we had a little trip coming up. So I feel like renting stuff for things like that is nice. They are higher quality, higher end brands, like higher price point type items. So I actually have some stuff coming up later this month in February, so I will be renting again. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in signing up for Nuuly. I think I paid $100 for 6 items to rent them for a month, which comes out, in my opinion, pretty good because each item, say the velvet dress that I wore, I think is a $200 and something dress. If I were to buy that, you would see me in it every single weekend because that's a lot of money for a dress. So I like the idea of renting them instead. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I'm returning this right now. I'm sitting outside of UPS. And then Nuuly says once UPS has scanned in your return, you can go in and choose items for your next box, which I already saved some to my profile. There's like a little hanger and you can pin things to it that you like because I know of some things coming up this month. So I'm gonna go home, hopefully rent me a new Nuuly, and then we'll do this again. If y'all like these kind of videos, let me know.